McLean reporting with Metroland Media Group, and today we're back with your life expert, Yvonne Williams, who's president of Total Confidence Painting and Home Improvements. Tired of taping your walls? I mean, it's a big job, right, Yvonne?
That's right. Half the time is spent taping. So today I'm going to show you how not to tape.
Exactly, and we have a few tips.
That's right. So first what you're going to need is your handy dandy brush, which we covered off.
Right.
I personally like to not paint out of the pail, and there's a reason for that. A lot of people, if they're using the gallon bucket as their paint, you have to realize that you're then painting the wall, you're getting any dust, debris, and then it's going back and contaminating your paint. So
right.
I personally, as you can see, it's well used, I like to have a handy pail.
Okay.
And then so you get your handy pail, you get your handy pail liner. And then I'm going to show you the proper technique to use.
Okay.
When you get the paint in there, I would only fill it to about this line here. Maybe use this as a guideline, fill it to there. And when you dip your brush in, you want to make sure that your brush only gets halfway filled.
Okay.
Now what I see a lot of people do is they dip their paintbrush in and then they're like this, and then they take all the paint off.
Okay.
Okay, so instead of going in and going like this, what you're going to do is you're going to dip in,
yep,
and then you're going to tap.
Okay, just briefly.
That's
tap.
right.
Okay.
Now, I'll tell you, if you're going to use the handy pail, you don't have to, but if you're going to, I would tap either on the sides or on the front, because if you tap back here, that's where the magnet is.
Yep.
That holds your brush.
Oh,
and then your whole brush is going to get covered.
Okay.
Make sure that you got enough paint on your brush.
Okay.
Okay, and now let's say this is your ceiling and here is your wall.
Okay.
Now what you do is you use the paintbrush and you apply it about a 1/4 inch down from where you want to go.
Okay.
Because what happens is when you apply it, see how your brush now fans out?
Right.
And then you drag across.
Right.
So I don't know if you can see that it's up close to the line.
It is.
Now what happens is a lot of people do this. They start right at the top of the line,
okay,
and push, and then their brush edges out, and that's how you get the paint on the ceiling.
Okay.
So tip is you start 1/4 inch down from where you want to paint.
1/4 inch.
Yep. You
Okay.
apply the paint.
Yep.
Pull across just for a small section.
Smooth.
And then you actually flip,
Okay.
because you'll have extra paint on the back of your brush.
Right.
And pull across.
Awesome.
So that is the tip. And so that goes for ceiling and for your trim.
Okay.
When you're doing your trim, just downwards
Right.
and pull across. But again, leave that 1/4 inch so that you're not getting it all on the trim.
That's key.
That's right, 1/4 inch.
Okay, thank you so much, Yvonne.
Thank you.
This is Leanna McLean reporting with Metroland Media Group.